You know, some people in America started a business with almost no money and now make thousands of dollars every single month. No college degree, no big office, and some started completely alone. Today, I'll show you the top 5 easiest businesses you can start in the USA that could completely change your life. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you want financial freedom, stable income, and a better future, this video is for you. These are real businesses that normal people are using right now to build successful lives in America. Make sure you watch until the end because the last business has the biggest income potential. First, the cleaning business. It may sound simple, but in America, cleaning companies make serious money. Busy families and office owners pay good money for reliable cleaners. The best part? You can start with basic supplies and one customer. Many people begin alone, then slowly grow into a full company. And wait until you hear how much some cleaners make per month. Some small cleaning businesses earn over $10,000 every month. Number 4, pressure washing. This business exploded in America because homeowners love clean driveways and houses. One simple machine can become a money-making machine. A small job can pay $200, $300, even $500 in a single day. Imagine making that money just by cleaning sidewalks and driveways. Now this one is huge. Mobile car detailing. Americans love their cars, and many people are willing to pay premium prices to keep them looking brand new. You don't even need a shop. You simply go to the customer. Some car detailers make more in one weekend than many people make all week. Number 2, lawn care. In America, millions of homes have lawns, and many homeowners hate cutting grass. That means recurring customers, weekly income, stable cash flow, and once you get enough customers, you can hire workers and grow fast. But the number 1 business is even cheaper to start and has almost unlimited income potential. The number 1 easiest business is starting a social media agency. Right now, millions of businesses need help with Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Facebook. And thanks to AI tools, editing and content creation are easier than ever. You can work from home with just a laptop and internet. One client can pay you every single month. 5 clients can completely change your financial future. The truth is, you don't need a perfect life to start. You just need one skill, one customer, and consistency. So tell me in the comments, which business would you start first? If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more powerful business ideas and success content. Thanks for watching, and remember, small beginnings can create massive success.